Hello everyone. The former President Jacob Zuma's party, Umkhonto weSizwe Party, is becoming a nightmare to other political parties. The Democratic Alliance leaders have jumped ship and joined Umkhonto weSizwe. According to breaking news page on X app, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party released a statement from the MK Party in Western Cape. The statement said, Statement of Umkhonto weSizwe Party Western Cape officially welcoming DA leaders. For immediate release, Umkhonto weSizwe Party in Western Cape wish to take this opportunity moment to welcome prominent DA leaders who are deeply rooted in their communities to the MK Party. We cordially welcome Comrade Thembeka Richard Majola, a former DA National Caucus Deputy Chairperson, former Chairperson of Pan-African Parliament Rules. Comrade Majola also served as a mayor of West Coast District Municipality and as a former Deputy Mayor of Saldanha Municipality. MK Party further welcomes Comrade Mlulami Tsaka and Comrade Zukiso Donisi, former DA Deputy Mayor of Grabouw and former Deputy Mayor of Cape Agulhas Municipality. Welcome home, comrades. For the total liberation of our people to be achieved in the province where a minority has no interest in the life of majority. Blacks in general and coloreds in particular, there must be a clear conscience guiding our actions. The move taken by later comrades is clear indication that the victory is nearer than ever. The DA is crawling in its knees and the defeat is just in their doorsteps. With the elections fast approaching, we can start to pronounce we are free at last. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party in Western Cape wishes to reiterate that our unity of purpose remains a cornerstone in achieving our strategic objectives. We call for all volunteers to redouble their efforts in mobilizing and recruiting members of communities to vote MK Party come 29 May 2024. The statement was captioned, Breaking News, allegedly MK Party is reclaiming the Western Cape. Prominent Western Cape DA leaders resigned and joined Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Some of the MK members were not pleased about the news and suggested that these people might be snakes. One said, We must be careful of anyone who considered DA or any of its franchises an option. They are potential infiltrators. They can resign from this CIA agency, but we need to put them through the eye of the needle. Another one said, we must be careful about infiltration. Someone also said, Bapi on Ngesta Masegunje, MK is bigger than Umsholozi and